Today we're at Glacier Point, Alaska. Hey everyone, it's Patrick from Oakland Travel. Welcome to episode 60 of the vlog from the Ovation of the Seas. This was recorded back in August of 2019. So at this point, the ship is docked in Skagway, but we are out in the middle of nowhere. We're kind of in the area of Glacier Point. It was, I don't know if you saw in one of the previous episodes in the vlog, but it took a couple of hours by boat just to even get out to this point. So we're already a couple of hours into the excursion, and then out here we're driving the ATVs around for at least 2 hours, maybe closer to 3. I'm not really sure. I wasn't paying attention to the to the watch, to the clock. It's pretty cool. You'll notice that everybody's dressed up in pretty serious, cold weather gear, rain gear. It's muddy. There were times where we would drive through a puddle of water and it would kick up mud and up and down over hills and all kinds of stuff. We were on a sort of a path that I guess they've been using over the years. It's an established route. It's kind of like a circuit that takes a little while to make one complete lap. And I noticed that because I recognized some of the landmarks, so I know we've made at least 2, maybe 3 complete laps around the entire circuit or whatever it was before we finally stopped and the excursion was over. But a lot of fun. We weren't going super fast, but we were just kind of out in the woods, just sort of having fun driving the ATVs and just enjoying the beautiful Alaska scenery. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and change that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video or start a live stream.